Now let me show you how much YouTube paid me for 1k short view, if that's going to buy Benz in the nearest future. I know a lot of creators jump into YouTube because they want to have a good living or they want to make revenue from YouTube. Yes, it's quite good that you get paid for your hard work, but when you come to YouTube with the mentality that I'm going to make a lot of money from the onset, YouTube may decide to fall your hand, and it's very crazy. So as a creator, you have to first drop that mindset, treat YouTube like a business. Or without wasting time, let me show you what they pay me for 1k short view. So let's head over to my YouTube studio right now. Currently I'm on my YouTube studio, as you can see, and this particular video that I made 1 month ago, amazing color pipe editing with CapCut, got 1k view. So when I click that particular video, you can see the video has an average percentage view of 31% with 1k view. So when I click on that video, you can see that the video got 1040 views since it was published. So let me scroll and then to under revenue. Now this is the estimated revenue I have made so far. Now YouTube revenue per 1k engagement is $0.06. That is what YouTube is willing to pay for 1k view on this particular video. But what I made was $0.03. My God, this is crazy. It's not even up to $1. Though some of you will be like, does YouTube short really pay? Yes, it does. It depends on where your traffic is coming from and the kind of content is all about. So there are a lot of factors that influence your RPM, that is the revenue per 1k view, and you can see that this revenue per 1k view is $0.06, just very small. And that's not just all. YouTube didn't pay me for the 1k view. YouTube only paid me for 506 engaged view. Now it's not just about having views. So whenever you see videos with billions of views on the internet, don't just conclude that they have made millions of dollars from that particular video. Some of the videos could be running on promotion, and you know the funniest thing about promoting your video, YouTube don't pay you for that video. So while you are running promotion, YouTube don't pay you. In fact, promotion is not even the best way to grow on YouTube channel. That is why you see some channel with 10k subscribers, 100k subscribers, and you see 1 or 2 engagement with very low views because they run on promotion. If promotion were to be the easiest way to grow YouTube channel, everybody would have done that. Promotion is best for people who has business, like you are selling something online, you throw promotion on your video so that people can see what you are selling. Because when you run promotion on your video, YouTube doesn't just take the video to organic people, but all random people within your selected target location. So without that, YouTube paid me $0.03. My God, could this ever buy a Benz? Well, when you look at money, or you put money first whenever you are trying to create content, you may get discouraged, feel frustrated. So as a creator, you are not supposed to put money first. Try and build a good follower fan base, try and build your channel, and money can come later. So next I'll be showing you how much YouTube paid me for 400 view on my normal short video, and that amazed me the most because I never expected. Stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, do well to click the subscribe button, because in this channel I share honest review. Not just that, shared strategies, growth, and things that will enhance you to get your 1,000 subscribers and get monetized faster, especially from day one. Have a lovely day, guys.